Hi, today I'll show you guys how to make responsive forms for mobile on JotForm. So let's get started with this form. Let's add some elements to this form, and we'll add the name and then the phone number and so on. Let's add a really nice looking theme right here, and then select this one. Okay, so let's go preview this form to see how it looks on mobile. So select phone right about here. So here we go. This is how your phone will actually look on phone. But let's test this form on a mobile. So let's go ahead and send the link to our phone. Alright, so here's the form that we've created on our desktop. So you see here, the elements here are placed correctly. So that's it. Thank you. And by the way, if you liked what you seen, check out the product links below in the description. So when you click one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission which helps support this channel. Thank you.